Hi, this is Bee down here at Emerald Coast Harley-Davidson. Just wanted to break down the Stage 1 Performance Kit for you. Basically what it entails is any air cleaner and pipes of your choosing, and then we tune the engine to your pipes and air cleaners that you pick. The main goal of this is to get more performance, but you also will sometimes gain gas mileage. We can get the temperatures down of the engine to help your legs. And the main goal is just more performance. And basically on the pipes and air cleaner, there's many different brands out there. The main ones are Vance & Hines, Reinhardt, S&S, are the ones most people go with. Like on this bike, they got the Vance & Hines short shots with the Harley-Davidson heavy breather, but you can pretty much mix it up however you want, whether it be aftermarket air cleaner or Harley-Davidson air cleaner, Harley-Davidson slip-ons to a full aftermarket exhaust system. Harley-Davidson offers a full exhaust system for the baggers, which is really nice and open. Moves the catalytic converters to the mufflers, or you could just run the Screaming Eagle mufflers and keep the factory catalytic converter if you like on the baggers. That helps with the gas mileage. You'll definitely get more performance and wake the bike up like it should be from the factory. And then we will actually put your bike in the dyno room and tune your motorcycle, basically the map in the ECM, to those pipes and air cleaner to make it run its most efficient, get you the better gas mileage, bring down those engine temperatures. So yeah, if you have any questions about a Stage 1 or you're interested in getting a Stage 1, come on down and see us at the service department at Emerald Coast Harley-Davidson. We'll be glad to answer all your questions and take care of you.